Hello guys, welcome back here at Otakamata here in the land of the rising sun here in Japan. So bali last day ng stay na po natin dito sa my Japan, and we decided na maglakad-lakad na lang to enjoy and try to see ang lugar dito sa my Japan, just to see the community as well as kung ano yung mga magagandang lugar na pwedeng mapasyalan. So nakita po namin ito yung isa sa mga destination which is ginugol map natin at sinundan natin. So we were take here all the way dito sa my temple, one of the temple here in Kamata. So yan po ay sinundan namin, naglakad-lakad lang po kami niyan, and we almost took more than an hour papunta dyan, at talagang magandang lugar, at hindi po kami na disappoint, at talagang pinuntahan namin, and we decided na akyatin namin tong temple na to. So kinunan ko lang po siya guys hanggang sa kung saan lang po allowed na kumuha tayo ng video as well as photo. So I know na in respect to the religion as well as yung tradition nila dito, so hanggang dyan kung saan lang tayo pwedeng kumuha ng video, dyan lang po pwede kong ipakita sa inyo. So pumasok po kami dyan, at upon entering the temple ay hindi na natin kinunan ng video footage kung anong nandun sa loob. Yun, bali paglabas na po namin yan ay kinunan ko po yung yung dragon, at saka yung parang fountain nila, at talagang very amazing yung pagkagawa niyan, at parang lang yan, parang we don't know if holy water or some kind of a cleansing water, hindi po namin alam, at hindi rin kami nagtry na maghugas dyan o kung ano man. So yan, bali pabalik na kami niyan, naglakad kami pabalik kung saan kami nanggaling, and we proceed to the observatory tower nila, looking down the city of Kamata. So yan po guys, yan lang po ang may share namin sa inyo, and thank you very much for watching this video, and this is the last day of our stay here in Japan. Don't forget to click like and share this video kung nagustuhan po ninyo para mapanood din po ng iba, and kindly drop a comment kung taga saan po kayo para malaman ko saan inabot tong video na to. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone.